Hello and welcome to another video from me, just a Motocross novice. So here is a little roundup of 2021, sort of how I started off as a rider. So this year was my first year really where we started going to tracks, and we done quite a lot of them in 2021. We done a few in 2020, half a dozen or so, but this year was really the first year we got right stuck involved and got into it. So here's a few clips of before and afters of my riding from start of the year to end of the year. You can see my improvement. I think I've improved. Not necessarily got a hell of a lot quicker, but certainly got a lot safer, which is the main thing, really, I suppose. Because at the end of the day, um, more times than others, got to go to work the next day. So what you see online, you see a lot of professional riders and stuff. They do that as a living. So if they fall off and break a leg or break an arm or whatever, they get paid out for it and everything like that. So it's always kind of in the back of my mind. I don't know, it shouldn't be, but it always is. Um, so here's a few clips. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Let's keep pushing on. Just hit 1,000 subs. Amazing. So let's keep growing. And look forward to a massive 2022 where we've got more tracks, more footage, everything like that coming.
Fuck me! Whoa, boys! That was smooth. Big Lee. My G.